Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix your iPhone cannot be backed up. If you're using an iPhone and you want to get a backup of your iPhone, but you're facing the issue that you're unable to get the backup of your iPhone, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to make sure that you have a stable and a strongest network connection. It might be Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can also try to switch between your Wi-Fi or cellular data, or try to connect with a different stable and strongest network connection. You can also try to enable and disable airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all over your network settings. Then go back from here and open your settings app and go to general, go to VPN device management, and just make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. Then you go to software update and just try to update your software. Once you updated your software, just go back and tap on your Apple ID, and here just tap on iCloud and then select, and you have to make sure that you have enough storage in your iCloud. You can see that I have enough storage. I can get a minimum backup of my photos or anything I want to. But if you haven't any enough storage, so you can try to upgrade your storage, or you can also try to free up your iCloud storage. So after that, you'll be able to get the backup of your phone. If you have enough storage but you're still facing the same issue, so you can go to general, go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset, then select reset network settings, and your iPhone passcode, and then tap on reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your iPhone settings. If there will be any issue with your iPhone settings, it will be fixed in this step and you'll not get the issue again. Or after resetting your network setting, you can try to make a forced restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do this, just quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. Once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo, and once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone, and here you have to retry to check if the issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to contact the Apple support team to get official app. Now to do this, just simply open your Apple support app. You can easily install this app from your app store. You can use Apple support web. Select iPhone from here. Select more option, or you can also select update, backup, and restore. And here, just select any option relating to your issue. So let's say I want to select backup and restore, and just wait for the loading. Then tap on the get help, then tap on colors. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.